Okay guys, let me continue our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will run the analysis. So we go to the analysis command, and then if you want to have another type of structural analysis other than static linear analysis, you can change the analysis type here: static, buckling, model taking, pushover, and so on and so forth. Okay. So if not, under the menu analysis, you can directly go to calculation, or you can also access the calculation here by press this button, calculation. So it will run the analysis, static linear analysis, and then calculate all those and conduct for the slab floor, what do you call it, the finite element. And then you can find here, if no any error, you can find at the bottom here the result for FEM is available, and then the green button here appear. Okay, so let me check the result. The result for you can check the result here, diagram, maps on bar, the panel, maps on the panel, and then displacement, deflection, forces, stresses, and other results. Before we continue, I believe it would be better if we switch off the display of the finite element mesh. So how to switch off the display? We go to edit, and then we go to we go to view, and then we go to display, and then under the panel FE, so we switch off this one, and then apply. Sorry, it's not appear. Bus models, panel description, fillings, finite element interiors. Click here. Apply. Oh, finite element. Sorry, under here, under the finite element, and apply. So no need to push this one. Interior, filling interior, description, contour component, and apply, and OK. So then it is less crowded. Then the result for the bars we can find here for the bending moment about y-axis, and then apply. So you can see there bending moment about y-axis, font view. So all the bending moment, part of the bending moment, also transfer to the column, because by default connection between beam to column and beam to beam are fixed connection. So let me change the connection here. I select all the member here, or the beam, or you can go to beam, select one of it, and then Control A. So we select all the beam. We want to set up all the beam end-to-end support condition as pin connection. So all the selected member here, and then the properties here, and then we go to the release. Currently the release is not available, so we change it to a pin. And then you can see here the perform operation will cause the changes in database containing structured data and cause a change of the result. So this okay. We will continue. We will do the analysis. You can see there down there the result is out of date, and then the yellow button appear. So continue with the analysis. We do press this button calculation, and then it will give you a new result. You can see there bending moment at the both end of the beam is already 0. No bending moment transfer to the column. So you can check any other let's say deformation. So you can see the deformation. Apply, untick, and then close. If you want to see the result of the panel, go to maps here, and then moment XY, apply. So you can see the bending moment about XY plane or bending moment about YY plane. Apply, and see bending moment about YY plane, and then bending moment about XX plane. Apply. Okay, you can check here, and then also the value. You can see the value with description and then value as well. So the result quite comprehensive. And then you can see also the result here for the maps on bar, say the FX, which one that have a very high FX value or FZ compression on column. You apply, I can see it's not so big. So the FX for the local axis, FX. You can see, you can check the local system here. So then the blue one represent the x-axis. So FX here is a compression, the down compression on the what you call it, this column. For the column here, you can see FX maximum at the interior column, and then the value, the color here, it is, you can change the scale. So it is scale from 135 to 276 kilonewton. So you can still change this one. So the maximum one is about or more than 276 kilonewton. So then all the FX less than 135 kilonewton is in the yellow color. Apply, close. You can also see the what call it, the forces, the stresses and reaction here. So all the forces, and then the envelope forces, Fx, Fy, and global extreme. The maximum force 416 kilonewton at bar number 5, and in the case 3C, the combination. And then the Fy maximum is 12.34, and minimum maximum is 21.15 kilonewton meter. You can close here. I press this close window here. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. Then we already explore the result of the analysis, and then also conducted two different analysis. I mean, the same analysis but different support condition at both ends of beams. Thank you for watching.